Uh, Today focus is Hermes 3000, first generation, second generation, and then third generation. Actually, long time ago, someone asked me compare the touch feeling, three of them, and then recently someone asked me, this is a techno typeface. Also, this is a techno typeface. So someone wanted to look at this typeface. So I removed the carriage, all three of them. As you see, this one is after 1966. This one is after 1970 or 71. Around that time, they changed the plastic like this plastic. Then inside this one is almost same. I watched everything. See this part exactly same, but this one is the early version. It's different. There is that kind of linkage. They have this stuff, right? Also, they changed this part. This one is a very simple version, but this one is it's a very complicated around here, right? So that's the difference. The early version, also the proof sound material is very thick, but later version is very thin. Material is different. So basically, first version, second version different. The inside, and then second version, third version. Around here is exactly same, but around here it's different. See, it's a little bit different. So that's why sound is a little bit different. This one is 1000 like this. This one 1000 is like almost same. Actually, I compared this one with the Media 3 and then first generation and then Hermes 2000. At that time, I really bit complain about the feeling of the key. This one, at that time, I mentioned I didn't clean the inside, but after clean, I check again the feeling. Now it looks good. Now it's like the sound is different, but the all same feeling is same. So I review. I read the old review from this about this from the typewriter database. Everybody says the touch feeling exactly same with the second version, but first version maybe a little bit different because inside a little bit different. But for me, sound is totally different, but feeling almost same, almost same. But sound is totally different because they different here, totally different. So that's the first what I looking, and then they also little bit changed this stuff carriage line space change lever. See, this one is very round around here, but this one is it's angled, and then this one is inside is empty like this, different. Okay. Also, I found the this is a first generation, right? This one, the almost same here, but this one is they changed this part totally different. So yeah, this is a third version. So this is a plastic cheaper material. So a lot of people, not everybody, but most of them, they don't like this design. But someone still, he said it's stylish. So I found someone totally take off the case and then custom made the bottom and then cover because he don't like this material, so he made the wood base. That's another good idea. Very for me that was very good because he cut the base like according to the match with the key shape. So like around here cut like this and then like this. So it's very fancy. Maybe I can do that. And this one, yeah. So yeah, that's so one thing. Before cleaning this one, it was not that good, but after cleaning, it's very good. So touch feeling, three of them almost same. Yeah, according to the typewriter database, everybody say yeah, feeling is really same. This one and then this one, but let's see this time the typeface with this one. It's a third version Techno typeface. It's the early version Techno typeface. Okay. Okay. I'll first use this typewriter and then this one and then this one. Okay, let's see. This is the Techno typeface. Okay, and then I move to the second generation. Now, second generation. This is a regular typeface. I think petite picker. Okay. And next, I move to the third generation. This is also Techno typeface. Let's see. Okay. This knob, I mean during the feed paper, it's in order to do that, its sound is a little bit loud. This one. So this one is a first generation Techno typeface. This one third generation Techno typeface. Exactly same, right? Yeah. So touch feeling exactly same, I guess. After cleaning, this one also touch feeling is very good. So this is first generation, second generation, third generation. I compare the focus on the feeling of the touch. Yeah. So even though some typewriter has a very good touch feeling, if we did not clean inside, then we can feel difference. So after cleaning this one, it's really good. So all right, thank you for watching.